Hi everyone, I will show you some exercises if you have any thumb pain, usually also known as a CMC joint pain. So if you feel any or experience any pain here, you can try these simple stretches and exercises. It can help you a lot. So first I'll show you the stretch, how you can stretch this joint. You can see your first joint, it's right away from here. So just put your thumb inside and make a fist like this and just bend your wrist. You'll feel a stretch all over here. Like if it's very painful, then you will feel the stretch is even more little bit painful, but you need to stretch it. So give it a gentle stretch and relax. Yes, again you can see I have hold my thumb with my fingers. I'm just stretching it and relax. I'm showing once again. Yes, just stretch it and relax. So you'll feel all relaxed in your thumb here like this. So now what you can do is, we'll start with the exercises of the thumb muscles. How you can do exercise, I'll show you. Just try doing opposite movements here like this. You can touch to your fingertips with your thumb and do the opposite movements, like crossing the thumb to reach the fingers like this. You can also do like just crossing over your finger and coming back, crossing all over, touching to the little finger, coming back again. So this way we are just strengthening the muscles here located near our thumb. The other is taking the thumb straight up like this. Like this, you can see I'm just taking it away from the body. The last exercise is some resistance exercise. So what you can do is, you can make a loop with your finger like this and put the other finger like this, and you can just pull it and relax. So these are the resistance exercises. Just pull it and relax. Again and relax. You can see I'm just doing some resistance exercise like this. I'm just making this tight both sides. I'm pulling it and relax. So this way we can strengthen the thumb muscles more. I'll just show you the exercises how you can do it again. So what you have to do is just crossing over your thumb to the little finger. This is the first, like this. Then taking the thumb away from the fingers like this. Touching the thumb to the fingertips like this. And the last is, you can do some rotational movement of the thumb even for pain-free range of motion. So like many people, those who have arthritis in their small joints, or those who are having continuously finger or thumb movements and you experience pain, you can try these simple thumb exercises. It's very easy. It just takes few minutes. So I hope you find this video useful. Thank you. Was it?